Good morning. So I've had two people in the last 12 hours ask me how to check about your incentive level, where you are right now. So I'm going to show you really quickly of how to do this. And this is information that you can keep. I will upload it to the group properly, and it will show you how you can track your numbers, period. So if they don't do a tracker in the fall for the incentive, this is how you track your numbers. You're going to need to know what your point values are worth. You're going to need to know what you're looking for. But in this case, for the summer incentive, we're going to go to the performance tab. And you're going to see the same image, but yours might not look quite as big as mine, obviously, with different people in it. So right here, we're going to go over to the left, and we're going to start a leadership report. If you have anyone underneath you, or even if you don't on your team, this is where you need to start learning to go, because you're going to have new people on your team soon. So you're going to click leadership report, and here you're going to see that up here at the top, it's going to give you the current month, and then it's going to list everyone below. You're going to be the first person though. So you're going to click here, and you're going to hold, and you can't see me do this because it's off screen, but you're going to hold the shift button, because it says to right there. So shift. Our incentive started on May the 1st, and it ends in July. Now July hasn't come, so we can't click that. But we're going to click there, click off, and then you're going to click go. So now you're going to see your information, and you can change these. You can choose visible columns. You can take stuff out. You can add stuff in to make this spreadsheet look however you want it to look. But right here is going to be your PRV, and it's going to be your PRV from May the 1st until right now in this moment. So that is how you track your PRV sales. For other incentives or even this one where they're wanting to know about your how many recruits that you have. If you come over here, it's going to tell you that you have how many new recruits that you have. Now, to check how they're doing, you're going to have to know who that new recruit is, which obviously you would because they're your teammate. And then you would go down and you would click on that person, or you can see what their PRV is. So you can see if they made it to active or not. And if you have teammates, this active front line right here will tell you how many are active. So this is how you run reports. And over here is different reports that you can run about people that are your teammates that are underneath you. So you can click on those. I'm not going to do it right now, but this is how you will track your incentives in the future. For right now, anything you need to know is going to be right here. You just have to kind of play with things to get the information that you want. So I hope that's helpful, but this is going to tell you your PRV from May to June. And if you wanted to do an entire year, you would just hit select, which you can't see me doing, and you would just check however many months you want it to be, and then take off and click go. And when you click go, it'll take a little bit longer the more information you put in. It's going to tell you what your PRV is. So I hope that was helpful for you. I'm going to edit this. I have to blur things obviously for other people's information, but this is how you're tracking your incentives. So there you go. Happy Monday.